Hi, Namaste. I am Saudamini. I am studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about technique 1, pen, paper and hand positions. But in last class we discussed about the 7 techniques of improving your wonderful handwriting. We are going to discuss about last class a little bit. In the last class we discussed about the 7 techniques of handwriting. The 7 techniques of handwriting are the lower and upper part zones and the pen, paper and hand positions and spacing. These points we discussed in last class. So in last class the spacing is nothing but we should give minimum 2 line space and maximum 3 line space in between each word and letter. And what comes the pen, paper and hand positions? We should leave the cone shaped area in the pen, paper and hand positions, and we should touch the ground of our hand what we are writing on the paper, and we should keep our paper slightly to the opposite side with which hand we are writing. And today's class, and coming to today's class, we are discussing about technique 1, the pen, paper and hand position. What is called the pen, paper and hand positions? The first point is hold the pencil or pen leaving the cone shaped area at the tip of the instrument. What is called leaving the cone shaped area? Suppose now we are taking a pen or pencil. We can take a pen or pencil. Now in this pen, the first little bit part, the first 1 inch part is called cone shaped area. It will be cone shaped. We should leave this 1 inch cone shaped area part, and we should start from the after 1 inch cone shaped area. We should start from the rubber area. In the pens we will have the rubber point to hold the pen firmly and for not getting sweat. Okay, this rubber area we will find in the pens. Or pencils we should leave the cone shaped area, and we should catch the instrument leaving the cone shaped area, and we should write touching the rubber area after 1 inch, and we should write what we are writing. Okay, the second point of technique 1 is hold your pen with the middle thumb and index fingers only, and keep the middle fingers always as a base while you write. Hold your pen in the middle, in middle of 2 fingers, in middle of middle finger and index finger మధ్యలో మన పెన్ని పట్టుకొని ఇట్లా రాయాలి, and we should give it base in middle of our thumb and index finger. We should give it base, and we should touch the pen in the middle of our thumb and index finger, and we should catch it with middle finger and index finger and thumb finger, and we should give bases in middle of thumb and index finger. This is called second point. And coming to the third point, make sure that the pencil or pen has got support its back. Third point is nothing but we should see, confirmly we should see that the pencil or pen got the back support. If we got the back support in middle of thumb and index finger, it will be easy and it will be comfort for writing with the pen or pencil on the paper. Now coming to the fourth point, place your sheet or book bending slightly towards left. You are a right hander, and slightly towards right if you are a left hander. Okay, this is for suppose we are taking a book. If this is a book, if you are a right hander, slightly bend it to your left, and what you are writing, write from the left. If you are a right hander, slightly move your book to your left, to your eyesight, and what you are writing, continue what you are writing. And suppose you are a left hander, move the book or sheet to slightly rightwards and to the eyesight gap, and what you are writing, continue. And this is called the fourth point. And going to the fifth point, place your hand parallel to the sheet's direction. Okay. Place your hand parallel to the sheet's direction. This is a book, and place your hand to the parallel. This is a book, and place your hand parallel. Parallel means to the book level, and start writing. By this you can improve your handwriting very much by keeping pen, paper and hand positions neatly and correctly. And coming to the sixth point and last point, move your hand at least till below along with the letters and words you are writing on the sheets. Move your hand at least below. Move your hand at least below means this is called the below level of our hand. Means if you are writing on a paper or sheet, move your hand at least below on the paper and start writing what you are writing. By this you can improve your handwriting. By these six methods you can follow nice handwriting, and you can improve your handwriting very much. And in next class we are going to discuss about technique to the typical individual letters. And to see my next further classes and lessons, subscribe us and follow us. Thank you.